Hello everyone. Wanna share the video? Hi. Wanna share the video? Wanna do the pump the love the cam. Wanna share. Brother McMartin, how far? Wanna just share the video? They go as the joy. Wanna just share. As wanna the joy. Wanna just share. Wanna just share more chat. Hello, Kum Nesla. Welcome. As you're joining, please share. I say una tag me, mama talakuvo yeah. And my way be friend with mama talaku na taki se me can be matter day. And my way they friend with Kobos una taki me can be matter day. I'm TV one talk. Yes. Una tag me CY International me come here. Una tag me Danny Fresh King me come here. Yes. Una tag all them. Tag me Kobos. Una tag me Kobos. Now they friend with Kobos but they me taki. Laugh and learn talk show. Now which the person that mean na Kobos that. Laugh and learn talk show. I say una tag me mama talaku me can hear matter day. Quick more talk. Una tag Diveshela me come here. Yes, matter day. Una tag me Diveshela me come here. Una tag me Kobos me come here. Una tag mama talaku me come here. Una tag O Pancho me come here. Oh man, una report for here. Matter day. Matter day. Why will the way the other ones in the car might play music? Una tag me all that 237 gossip vloggers and me the report for here. All that 237 gossip vloggers una tag them me the can here. Greeting Mama Wiba. I say any person way na friend with under belly una tag me come here. Una tag Diveshela me come here. Una tag Mama Talaku me come here. Una tag Kobos me come here. Oh una. Una tag O Pancho, yes. O Pancho, CY International. Report for your nana so. Yes, I get some few points that I want make it maybe clear. I said, why una need share our comedy video then? No? Una biki share our videos them, I beg. Una biki share our videos them. At the post video, at the make video, I use about 16 hours to produce video post time and even get up to 100 share. I'll stop small time. Yes. No doubt about it. I'll stop small time. When I complain say MTV need give video back to back. Now I give video back to back. When I need to share them. Yes, when I need to share them. Welcome, Lady B. Frank Hardy, welcome. I say, una attack Kobos me come here. Una attack Mama Talaku me come here. I don't come live after a very long time. I don't come. Una attack Kobos me come here. Una attack Mama Talaku me come here. Una attack Divershela me come here. Yes, all that 237 gossip vloggers. Una attack them me they come here. Yes, I guess until I want to tell them. Very important. Yes, I need come live anyhow, but if una see me today for live, una no say matter day. Una tag me that the Fresh King to me come here. Oh Pancho, una tag them, me they come here. Tag all them, me they come here. Okay. Una tag all them, me they join the video. Una tag them. At the wait. News day. Yeah, una begin share. Use up to 16, 17 hours to produce video. You need to get up to 100 share. I beg, una share the video. Yes, una tag Laugh and Learn Talk Show. Una tag Kobos, me come here. Me join this video. Yes, matter day. Una tag me O Pancho. Una tag Danny Fresh King. Yes, I want to talk something. I'll play on Nanawu's music. You might play on Nanawu's music. So music they were like I might plan for now. They don't even give me copyright for the music. Courage is the escape me at the come live anyhow. Una attack all the people that me they come more discuss. I don't lose the people the way I want to attack them now. I want to attack Kobos. Yes. I want to attack Mama Talaku. I want to attack Divershela. I want to attack O Pancho International. I want to attack Danny Fresh King. Una attack Underbelly. Yes. Una attack all the media carrier. We'll get something to give a discourse. Very important. I want me to tag me to reach for here. If we not get up to 500 people that we need talk. Yes. If we not reach 500 people that need talk. Una tag, una share the video. I want to see love. Una the same me that love emoji them. Una like the video, then una press like so that Facebook will share them. Una share them. Yes. Another one too, Brenda Show. Una tag Brenda Show, me come do for here. I remember Brenda Show, una tag Brenda Show, una tag Divershela, una tag Kobos, una tag Mama Talaku. Yes, O Pancho International, Danny Fresh King, una tag all the media report for here. If you know 500 people that need to talk, it be very important. Yes, because well, just decide she done me quiet. It means say, you know, means say, yes, we get for talk. Very important. We get for talk. Yes, I go talk. If you reach 500 people them, I want me they 500. Now they for 121. Yes, we still, yeah, now they for 124 people them. 124 people they watch me now. Yes, if you don't reach 500 people that need to talk, if you reach 500. Yes, 500 people the first start talk. Yes, una tag me mama talaku for ye me come. Una tag me, I want especially mama talaku me come for ye. I want talk for ye. Especially mama talaku. Una tag me mama talaku me can ye. Me am I want talk for mama talaku today so. Yes, una tag kobos too. I want me kobos day here too. Yes, when I keep press, when I like the video because when I like the video, so Facebook to the share, when I when I share the video. Yes. Any man way no mama talaku, any man way no even a friend for mama talaku, coast and the rest, all that 237 gossip vloggers them. When I tag them, they come here. Yes, I want to. Yes, mama talaku and Kubos, they are busy, please. If they are busy, they will not talk now. Yes, if we not reach 500 people them, where mama atalaku for year, I need to talk. And I want talk particularly now for ye. And I want say when I talk for ye, me kobos the year. Yes, I want say when I want talk for mama atalaku today so, me kobos the year which I want talk. Una tag me kobos for laugh and learn talk show. Yes, una tag me kobos, una tag mama atalaku, una tag all Pancho International, una tag all the media come here. Yes, we give a talk. Now wait see. If we not reach 500 people that need to talk, 500. Don't too much. Say no be big company now trying to get on my border. Mm. Asa. Cameroon beautiful country so the male say in fact I don't want to talk where in fact I don't waste energy. My face don't quite I don't want to waste energy. I know I waste energy because by the time I go start, no man will even stop me. As I never come on media they talk so. I never ever come on media they talk so, but today I want to talk. So when I attack them, they come talk people come over here. If the number reduce, problem no dey. If the number reduce, no people go wait they don't come. Una share the video, una share the video because if una share the video, they go see am, they go join. Yes, if you are joining, please share the live video. Share the live video. I guess I want to talk to this evening. Yeah, so if you are joining, please share the video. Share the video. Very important. If you are joining, please share. Share the video. Say my number for the if you said I want remember, yeah, as Mama Talaku joins with the talk. Unatak mi Mama Talaku. Yes. Usa Opancho International. Unatak Opancho. Unatak mi Opancho. Unatak on the Bele. Yes. Unatak the first king. Unatak Diva Shela, Brenda Show, all that 3237 gossip vloggers, the motivational speakers, them un attack all them me they come quickly more talk. They think they pass me now. They think they pass me. Now, so therefore about how many? Man, check them. That means they'll wait till tomorrow. No, not wait till tomorrow. No, wait till tomorrow. Not fear. No, wait till tomorrow. Yes, when I like the video, when I like the video, when I like and share the video, when I like and share the video. When I tell me all that 237 gossip motivational speakers, when I attack all them, especially Mama Talaku, Combos, All Pando, Danny Fresh King, Deep Fresh, Brenda Show, all the white rockers, Lady B, Billionaire, and the show, all the ones, Deep Fresh, all of them, all the my voice like that. Breaking voice. My voice break. Maybe I never work. Okay, we will start. We will start now. Well, my people, them. Now welcome. Now welcome. Normally, I don't be person for live video, but if I decide to make a live video today, maybe something important I want to discuss. Yeah, it be very important. So I decided say I want actually making a video. I want actually making a video. But I decided say no, I come live. At least I give to discuss with one or two fan them. Yeah. I really appreciate all those people that don't take time to follow my page, MTV. I really appreciate you and all those my fans the way immediately I want to drop video, una dey for share, una dey for like, una dey for comment. I really appreciate una, thank una plenty. Yeah, I really appreciate. I see the love, I see the support. Oh, una dey give am. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. And if you watch me now, you never yet follow my page, MTV, or you never yet subscribe to my channel, MTV, I beg hurry up to subscribe. Yeah, because my family will be built up together. Yeah, my family will be built up together. Yeah, so when you take me to today life, when you bring me to today life, now some few things not really some big things, some few things that I really want to discuss that. Yeah, because I don't think I'm Mrs. Well, anyhow we did. If most of now notice that what is happening with your voice. What is wrong with my voice? Anything? Can you hear me? No use for talk because we hear you. No use for talk because we. Yeah, my voice is having a problem. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Something's wrong. Voice, is it okay now? I'm gonna check if it's okay. What's wrong with my voice? What's wrong? It feels good this when I hit it. It feels good. So. What's wrong with my voice? What's wrong with my voice? I don't know. This too. Salut mon gars, salut, bonsoir, bonsoir, grand fidèle. I'm not even using a microphone. I'm just using a normal phone. I don't know what's wrong. Maybe it's a connection or what, I don't know. What's wrong with my voice? Salut my brother, Romantic. What's up with the voice? How if you do any help? What's wrong there? I don't know what's wrong. I can't really say. Mm, what can I do? What, any help? Or is the network? I don't know. I don't know if it's the network. I don't really know what's wrong with this. Each time I come live, I say the ever worry. I don't know which will be the problem. Any help, please? Any help? Any help? Go to the filter. How do I fix it? I don't know how to fix it. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know. I can't say anything now. Yeah, because I'm using the normal phone. I mean, don't do it. I didn't understand. What's really wrong? And this Facebook, this now I know how I use it because my head over the app. One Facebook. I don't even know where to help now. So I don't even know where to start. I'm not using any speaker. I'm not using any speaker. I'm using a normal phone. Look, look again. A cheap phone. Cheap phone. I'm not using a cheap phone. I'm using an iPhone. I'm not using a cheap phone. Off your phone or you go to your tell me that, Mom Rita, what can I do? I don't really know what to do now. And if I end this live, it could worry, yeah? If I end this live to start back, it could worry. Volume is very bad. What can I really do in this case? Press love many times. You know, Marvin. I said, what did it really happen there? I said, Marvin, help me how to go with this thing now. Excuse me, let me try to. Maybe it's the house Wi-Fi. Let me try to use my mobile network. Wait. Bon. It's okay now. Okay, it's okay now. Bon. It's okay now. Is it okay? Okay. C'est bon, grand. Merci beaucoup. Merci. Okay. Merci, grand. Merci. Okay, I think it's okay now. Yeah, thank God. I just changed the network now. Now it's good. Thank you, thank you. Now, really, I want to appreciate all those that way they don't take time for the day with we. Actually, I need to come live often. Yeah, I need that live person. Yeah, if you want to see me live today, I really understand something serious they up. Yeah. Like I was saying before the network step, I be the try to say I really appreciate all my fandom. I mean all those who don't take the time to follow my page. I really appreciate it now, and I really see the love. I drop video and within 2-3 minutes I'm getting thousands of views. So I really appreciate my turnout. Yeah, I really appreciate. And I don't get some few comments them say me I not there for reply people their comments them. Well, I go accept for that one because actually I get for understand say I produce a cutting video. And how it's I do now say I upload video 2 times per week. We oh, so, it's still bad. Go off. Oh, it means it's still disturbing. Bon, je vais arrêter le direct et recommencer. Oui. Ok, merci. Mm, actually, let's check again. If it don't the okay, it don't the okay again. Keep on now. Okay, is it okay now? Okay. Thank God is good. Talk a little. Una tell me if the network is okay now. Yeah, Esther, welcome. As you join, please share the video. Yeah, if network gonna be okay, then I could just the match fire the go. Yeah, if the network gonna be okay, then I'll the match fire now soon. Okay, yeah, I be try to talk say I really appreciate all on a turnout. Yeah, as we talk, the go if the network just worry, now tell me, ma, see how I feel reconnect again. Well, yeah, Ngea, Vincent, yeah, that's the reason why I'm here. That's the reason why I'm here. Yeah, but before I want to start, I want to talk on that. Try to disconnect from Camtel. Hello? Louis? Yeah, is it okay now? I don't know if it's the network. Again, talk. Yes, yes, I'm Marvin, I know. I'm using a Wi-Fi that I don't even know. My Wi-Fi is not like very strong. My Wi-Fi is very strong. Anyway, let me continue. Let me continue. Let's see what it is. If it is one word, then I'll start back again. We. Well, I'll be very sorry. Some fandom, some of my friends that they call me ask for try for no way to be wrong, but I hope so by now it be okay. You are good to go. Yeah, I be try for talk and say I dey appreciate all my way don't take time for follow my page AmTV and for subscribe for my YouTube channel AmTV. I really appreciate all una, yeah. And I want back when I say I be very sorry. Some people that they drop me message say I know they for reply comments them and yes, I know they for reply comments them. I know they for like I don't really know. Yeah, but I accept all those allegations them. Yeah, I accept them. Reason being that I produce video 2 times per week and I dey also work. Yeah, so for me for she don't write script and for me for she don't edit the video and for me for she don't reply comment them. Na really big work way and I don't really know how way I could manage am, but in due time as I the company as I the page dey grow, we go try to see how we fit bring in some one so for bring in some 1 or 2 people them. Either person wey could manage the page for the reply comments them and the others, because I know if you talk say I could try for because immediately I drop video for Wednesday, like today Thursday I drop video. I dey try for gather materials and for search for materials and where I could use them for Sunday. Yeah, so either I go there for work. When I don't finish work, I will come now for say my search materials and where I could use them for the next video. So for me for come back for media, at times I'll just glance my eye, see some few comments them. The one the way I feel reply, I reply, or I could make a general appreciation text I drop am for the video. Yeah, that's what I usually do am. But for say ma really calm, for say ma the reply man after another, I be very sorry say at times I could do am so bad, no be na for all. Yeah, because una really get for understand with me. Say I dey try for make una happy and I dey try for also work because I get a family too for take care for. Yeah, I really be sorry about the fact say I no dey for reply comments them. I be really be sorry about that one. Yeah. And the next thing I want talk now about, some person drop on the comment section here say why I choose for promote that girls I go put her in quote that girls yeah. Reason why I choose for the use those girls because of safety. I see am say now the aspect that way people them what we Cameroonians them who really like for watch. Yeah, who really like for follow. And some I'll try for this one a personal statement I dey make and say some of we Cameroonians them or call them celebrities. Yeah, some of we I don't know whether na how I fit tell them, but I will just tell them for my own way to celebrities because I call them as celebrity for my own way. Yes, I don't know whether now on a celebrity, but the way me I see them all as celebrities. Yeah. I dey use them. Reason being that what? I need for promote our own. Yes. And need for promote our own. I want more to understand, say, all these girls, they want to use them for produce videos. Yes. No be na say me, I be attached to any of them. No. I be attached to any of these girls, them. No. We are not friends. Yeah. But now, because of severity, in my own little way, I need for support. Yes, I need for support into the Cameroon entertainment. I need for support. I need for give my own small support. Yeah, even though some of them they feel like say my support no mean anything. Yes. Now the level that way we Cameroonians them uday, and it be so bad. I need lie you, my brothers and my sisters them. It be so bad. Imagine say I go take time, go watch your videos them. Go take your video. Go down. People they laugh. You go. I want to say we some of we celebrities we say the Aki and Popo in Nigeria, and this one the way that they are short slangs them the street. Now how they start. Move start from there. All these slangs them, the big Nigerian comedians, the way only their slangs you just see and Mr. Ibu then so. Where only their face you just see and you start laugh. I want to ask our own Cameroon celebrities and say, now if you say now how they start. Now how they start. Now just by so as I start they do and so. Every time people you make slangs. You make slangs. I use them for video. People they laugh every time. They see them. They see her face every time. Now so you go popular. I talk particularly now for that celebrities the way I use their videos and bet they look and like know nothing. They look and like know nothing. Like say me I need to do anything for them. Yes. They look and like say me I need to do anything for them. For me, for she don't watch your video, cut your video, create a story, make them, put them for media, me people then laugh. At least you get for know say some person there to support you. You get for understand some person there to support you. Where at least you get for one time so even appreciate that person. Yes. At least you get for one time so appreciate that person. All those people they want to use their video. All I mention their name. Only person who even show appreciation, when man not share, even just can say comment, even say thank you. The only person I don't see under my video na Kobos Laugh and Learn Talk Show. Now the only person that. Yes, now the only person that among all them what use and so. Keep aside CY International because the grand day for my back strong CY International it day for my back, and in fact now a real definition that person way it work by example. Grand CY International, I respect you, Grand. Yes, I respect you. Now person that way it talks say support your own. Now support your own that grand so and in fact and man even talk plenty. All the people that use their video, Cameroonians are put in general. I don't know what now wait the worry we. I don't really know what now wait the worry we. The videos them, the video when me I make them, I put them outside there. Now for make una shine, now for make una go popular. Yes. Even if you say you don't reach na 10 million subscribers or you don't reach na 10 million followers, at least show appreciation for your small ones the way they come for down. Where they help for promote you in some small way. Help for show appreciation, small appreciation. Yes, show small appreciation. Oh, now wait, see, I'm not just an answer call and names them. Yes, and answer call and name them because the content where they produce them, I feel still produce, I feel still use Nigerians them, I feel still use any country for produce content when people go laugh. They all side. They all side. Funny video, they all side. But I choose for use na only una know una self as I talk so. Una know una self. Una know una self. See Nigerians them. See them. All them. Go see the least person for there. The least person for them. They do comedy in 1 million followers. We say they grow now. They grow now by unity. Na so then they. Na only their celebrity na only for them. Only for that country. So na so they grow. Na so. MC Edo Pikin go make video. You go see all his brothers them. They go fall under. For comment. For like. For share. Even big old time AY comedian. It even share. I see some video this fufu challenge. I see AY for Nigerians. He share them. But for we for Cameroon, we all celebrities. They like do not waiting for them. If people can talk, thank you. People can like them. The lie. What? Will be okay all week. No. Who fit grow so? Na lie. I no fit grow so ya. No fit grow so. Na so go take and grow. But luck. I don't know whether una dey for Instagram. Una see the way Nigerians they dey. Don't just dey for all side. It put hand for all man. Now people then that way millions of subscribers, millions of followers. Who say one grow? Who say one do that one? Who say one do that one? Una even talking about say can't take some my video go share am. No can take some my video go share. No can even share my video. No can comment for my video. Appreciate people the way they even appreciate you. We 237 celebrities. I don't call no my name. But if you know say you get one of that qualities where I talk, you know yourself. I don't call no my name. And I want to appreciate some few people the way they really help they were young artists and for grow. I really like them. I see the work way longer they do for their may I do. No. This country get wahala, bro. Yeah, the country get wahala, my brother. The country really get wahala. The country get wahala. The country get wahala. See as a Nigerians then they. That means I really see the way the people that they work now. I said, chai, mama me. No, I say we no get talent, so who get talent, who get resources. Where? What did it happen with we? What did it happen with we Cameroonians? I need to understand. Now what's kind of level of hate this? Hate don't ever put some man chop for table. Like seriously, even people they were even more forget. I don't know. Now what's kind of hate among ourselves this? Now what's kind of jealousy among ourselves this? All the things they go take we go side. We go grow how? We go get power how? Where anything na disorder, anything na disunity, we go grow how? Over grandi command, mon frère. Ha, massa. No. We get talent, but I neck the key with my brother. Talent. Now why that Nigeria the lead for Africa because of togetherness. I want ask and say, I want ask all these people. I know that some of them, they watch me, I know. Most of us, these were Cameroon celebrities. All man, I need to even turn only motivational speakers. I need to turn a comedians, I need to turn a vloggers. I talk about all man. You know must support someone, you know must comment under some my picture, see that man your friend. You know must be friend with some man for make showbiz. You know must be friend with that person. What they call and showbiz. Now for media be showbiz. It not reflect who you be. Now media. You show love for your brother. You don't mean that person is your friend. No, that person not a friend, but una dey for media, una dey push and they go all una. Now so Nigerians they work. They support their own. They in a group. Only small WhatsApp group for Cameroonian when I influence the day. Only disorder. Someone to say be auto-tone. Someone to say you don't really get 800 followers. You don't even need for year no place again. You don't even need for year no place again because they don't get 800 followers. If they can reach 1 million followers, you don't need for year no place again. That's how they can grow. Master, my brother Timothy, I don't understand. I don't understand. A lot of hate. A lot of hate. Some people will say because they be celebrity, they live video. People they can comment under your own video. You know we even reply that comment. Because you take yourself, let's say you don't reach that highest level of I don't know, stardom. They think they pass me. Video them, you their life, your brother though can't don't under for support you. Some of them they feel like say when they live so when they produce that video so would come for under for support. It means that they so wait where they do now it be the best content for the world. I don't understand. I don't understand. Okay, for understand say all we then are showbiz, all we then are showbiz. This hand, the watches hand. This hand, the watches hand. Yes. All we then are showbiz. This hand, the watches hand. This hand is watches hand. When we do so, na so we grow. Nobody na say some man go help you. Only for person for take data come so can share your video, can comment for your video. At least you get for take time. Even if you no get time, take time so even can appreciate people them. Take time can appreciate people them. I need to do live video. I never person for live, but I come live today for talk this thing. And for make some disclaimer, before I continue, my brother them, my sister them, I be very sorry say I don't raise my voice, but not really hard me. Why I make I raise my voice no. Yeah, before I continue, I want to make this disclaimer. And this disclaimer, it is particularly now for side for Ndiveshila. Yes. Ndiveshila, he get a YouTube channel. The name for the channel na Travel with Grand Dive. If person you like gossip vlogging and the others, if you go follow Ndiveshila for your channel YouTube. Yeah, Travel with Grand Dive. I don't know whether he get Facebook. Yes, I want make this thing clear for my channel, yeah, for my page, Facebook page here. Yes, now why that I be talking me the thank Ndiveshila, all the rest I be just the joke na joke. But about Ndiveshila, it be very, very important because I don't get plenty reactions concerning Ndiveshila. Yes, I want make it very clear for here now for my channel here now. I don't know how some of them could take them, but I could just talk as an adult. For me, an adult, I could talk with you way I don't see them for which way it happen. Okay, when I become for media, I be try to create content. I be try to do one or few things. I be step on this girl on Diveshila channel. Yeah, and I want make this thing clear. The way to where I talk I be responsible for way to I talk and me I not be responsible for the way you understand them. Yes, I talk now way to where I know and way to I understand them. So ma continue. I be step on this girl on the Veshela channel, and when I be step on this channel, I be get a lot of reactions them about say how will he do this, how will he do that, how will he do that. And for the few people that were don't they always talk for behind. My statement na say this particular girl where they call and Diveshela so they talk say he bad so. Me, I don't see this girl. This girl no bad the way where they talk say the girl bad. Yes. They talk say okay, some of the excuses the way they give and I say wait. It don't insult people them. It don't insult people them, put people into depression and the rest or whatever. So wait till I try for sin I say for do I say I try for go check into some few videos them. For see play where it don't actually insult people them vocally. But till then I never see them. I mean Diveshila, I talking about Diveshila. Till then I never see video where it don't actually insult person. Even though me pass for some place I never see them. But I could one make we all understand say this so. When I be step on this girl, yes, I be like the girl encouraged. I like the girl as human. Forget about her personality. Forget about what people they talk about. Forget about whatever. Yes, it be that kind of person where it be that kind of performer. The way where I don't see him, I don't see. Now why that way you see him for a video? I always use a video for my video. Yes, I always use a video for my video. You know me say me and Diveshela and a friend, me and you never ever talk. As well as you never ever like my video, you never ever comment for my video. But I talk for my channel, yes say. Diveshela and one of the person the way I don't always watch each channel, and some few people the way I don't talk with them for behind they could testify with me for yes say. Diveshela and a person where I don't always ask it, but they say this girl the insult. I never ever see play the insult. Instead, the way where the girl the talk, it express na the way where people it try to defend itself to the public because everything. I don't know whether they think that it pass on a way. I don't even know me the pass. Yes, whether they think that it pass for I don't know. So it they in the defending side. From the way me, I don't see. Now my own way that way I see. Yes, the girl there in the defending side, it defend itself. For which way people that they try to throw on her. Now the way that I see you, now the way that I see. I don't know whether people them, they see their own way now how. Now, another thing for them, I say, when this girl, they produce a videos them, it gets on certain people the way they follow you. I don't know whether that people that they follow you. I don't know whether people that they follow you. They actually discuss with the Sheila for bad. Because the people the way they follow their reactions them and the Diveshela are two different things about this year. They say they've been Diveshela followers them, but I need to see that behavior because the way the Shella itself they behave, I need to see them for me. Some of the followers they behave like I be very sorry for calling human beings. They behave like sheep. I don't understand. Yes, I don't understand. Some of the followers I don't know how I will fit them, but some of them I don't know how did they even reason. I don't know. I be very sorry for talk so bad. I never call any man say sheep. Yes, I just to say some of them. Yeah, because I could make a video. You say Sheila na your friend, Sheila na your idol, Sheila na person where you like him. But I make video all time they push Sheila for day. Instead for you for appreciate me while they make video, put your idol for day, you will always come the criticize, always come the insult on me. And you understand? Sheila na ya idol. Sheila na ya motivational speaker. Sheila na all your own. Diva Sheila na all your all. Then I always use Diva Sheila. Even if I use Diva Sheila na how. Just the fact say I always use Diva Sheila. Diva Sheila. I don't need to open my mouth to say I like it. I don't need to open my mouth talk for my channel and say, Diva Sheila, I love you or I do that. No, I don't need to open my mouth talk to. But just the fact say, I always use that their idol. I talk of people they always come for my channel, can throw negative comments them for my channel. I need to delete no money comments them. I need to delete them. I leave them for day. You send Diva Sheila na ya idol, Diva Sheila na ya this, Diva Sheila na ya that. I always put Diva Sheila for my video. Instead for you can appreciate me, say I instead make that your idol they go more popular. I make that your idol they get more visibility. I don't know if the Diva Sheila even recognizing that thing that when me I post my video for Facebook and more than 60,000 K view. 60 to 100,000 K view. 100K views, sorry, for Facebook. People they can't find now who be this girl, now who be this girl. Your subscribers they decline. But always you are to get them from there so-called followers them. Now negative comments them. Negative thread them for under my comment section for YouTube and for Facebook. When I say when I like the girl. They go still block you whether you appreciate that. Well, they go see block or they go see block wait. I need say oh no don't. Well, wait till the tribal tongue I say what na wait they happen over that on this now na own sector that. Are they in a sector? Are they for my own area for make people they happy? And are they in for my own area for promote my own? All the people they were I want also appreciate Sarah. Yes, now one of the person that way time to time even under my channel because I use it too often. Sarah that they want for Dubai. I really appreciate it turn out. It actually come from my channel at times so can comment. Can appreciate I appreciate you to at least who get for really team up together and or really deeper Sarah ma just use the opportunity to talk for you. My sister, if we make this vlog in way we not take a personal, yes. If we make this vlog, we will not take a personal. Yes, so we get for just be united as a team. Even if you even arrange so you can't insult me TV, all of create buzz. Yes, if you arrange so you can't coach me. But now I understanding, but tomorrow you want to see we make live video, me and you they discuss the love. Now so Nigerians they do them. Yes, so we not really get for attached emotions to this thing. I understand how the thing they go, but at least we really need for put ourselves down. We really need to put ourselves down. Then on the part of Diva Sheila, I want to try to tell you to say this. So if you talk with your own people, you talk with your followers, try for always to calm them down. Try for know them, tell and say me they know who for attack. Yes, me they try for see people the way they attack them because me I not there for online bullying, but I just didn't mean I would take my own action from my own way. I see say it will make the matter me just end immediately. I read some few comments. Some people they carry take. Yeah, I dey make people they happy, my sister, but some of them, they no see, let's say, na fun. Some of them overget emotions. Some of them, I go use, for example, I go use Like the debate I make on this debate we just passed. So someone go come for my comment say this, so that thing would make everything for na negativity. Everything will do system negativity. Hi, massa. Everything for Cameroonians and negativity. Oti. Even thing where if it make people then laugh, so forget. Even none of this thing what they do on my video be real. Yes, because I'll just go cut some part where he talks, so then go cut some part where he talks, then I join and talk. I make some me people they feel motivated, people they feel happy. It is not personal. It's not personal. Lady B. It is not personal. It is not personal. We don't need for take and too personal. All these girls, the way they use them. So for my video, Lady B Billionaire, Diva Sheila, Dupe Sarah, Villa Mama, I don't know them plenty, Mama Atalaku, Kobolistic Kobos, none of them no be my friend. I need chat with none of them. None. I need to chat with them. I just go now for Facebook, go for my video, this thing, go search video over there. Video where I see and say it be interesting. I try for gather and cut and put them together, put them for public for Navo Lab. I don't get no string attached. I don't be worrying and waiting. I don't get me no problem with any man for media. I just there for make people then laugh. So if you know say be follower for Sarah, or if you know say be follower for Sheila, or if you know say be follower for whosoever, if you come for my video and say you want come whether na wait, please just quietly pack your bag. You just quietly go back for play with come on, because my channel now for make people they happy. That's just all. I not there for doing a things saga, so no can put meaning for my video. You come for there because when you do so 1 or 2 times, the next thing I say, one take action. Yes, I don't really need for there for argue with you on media because of if it come live today, so after 1 or 2 months, 3 months again, for na see me live. Yes. Wait to actually bring me up today now about this commenting them, it be very important. It be very important. Before I forget, I beg if you be say una never follow Dupe Sarah, una go and another give shout out to Dupe Sarah. Now one of the girls that use go follow you for YouTube, Dupe Sarah TV. Now YouTube channel that. Dupe Sarah TV. There una follow Laugh and Learn Talk Show. Laugh and Learn Talk Show. Now one of the person that would use and two for my video. That's Kobolistic Kobos. There una follow Mama Atalaku. Yes, now one of the VIP that for my channel. Yeah, una follow Mama for Mama. Yeah, channel name. I don't know what I get channel. Facebook name na Mama Atalaku Show or something like that. Una go follow them, I beg. Una go follow them. All we are one. We should just talk now for safety, meetings and better. Nobody say we talk now say tomorrow we call jackass. No, we need call jackass. We just discuss now say meetings and better. Wait till the talk for the. Well, they talk. If you go check and for some of them they actually vlog. They vlog general things. Even though at times they take and 2 personal, but now for you for go check them. Yes. Some of it there any today Lady B Billionaire. If you go follow Lady B Billionaire, actually a vlogger too. Yeah, if you go check and una not answer na wait till they talk about una go check on sister. Yeah, Lady B Billionaire and Hans Ayok to another vlogger. Hans Ayok and any person where I go see vlogging only. Yeah, go see vlogging only. Thank you, Grandse. Thank you, Grandse Biso. Okay, some person say you want call, you want call for talk something. Well, actually, I go when my finish talk, then I go give the platform for someone I fit talk. Yes, I get my few people them. All the people that use them for my video, I beg, when I go follow them. Oh Pancho, I beg, when I go follow Oh Pancho, I beg my followers them, I beg, when I go follow Oh Pancho. When I go follow Laugh and Learn Talk Show, Laugh and Learn Talk Show, both on Facebook and YouTube. Una go follow Mama Atalaku show. Mama Atalaku. I don't know what I did for YouTube, but for Facebook, in name na Mama Atalaku show. Oh, una like this. You know, Kaimata stuff, how it work. Yes. Una go for Mama Atalaku show. He go teach you that one better. For motivation, daily life, relationship stuff, them. I think say na Kobolistic Kobos, Laugh and Learn Talk Show. I should say na you do that one, Laugh and Learn Talk Show. So if you Nigerian, all my Nigerian fans, some of them they like me, they call me, they're from Nigeria. So all my Nigerian fans, then please, when I go check Laugh and Learn Talk Show for motivation and relationship and sex and whatever this thing, you go check Mama Atalaku's show. Then gossip vlogging, you go check Travel with Ganziver for YouTube, Travel with Ganziver. And if you also check Lady B Billionaire for YouTube, if you also check Dupe Syra for YouTube, all them are gossip vloggers them. Yeah, so if you check them, they at times they actually produce nice contents them. Now them follow Travel with Ganziver, yeah. I mean, people the way I often use them for my video. Yes, now they make me laugh, now they produce content. Una know say if una follow them plenty, now so they talk plenty so that or they take and then I make a mood they laugh. Then I beg, una way I always use una for my for videos them. Una try even if una not share at least una show appreciation by commenting, thanking at least. It make me the producer I know say we dey together. Yeah. I don't call Travel with Ganzi, no. Travel with Ganzi, I'm a person. Yeah, but even though I never ever talk with him, but now still my person. Any question there, or if question not there, then I just match fire the go. Yeah, we get one new YouTube Prince Marvin Nation. This guy actually, I bet MTV followers, I bet my brother and my sister. This Prince Marvin Nation, just wanna go check it out for YouTube. Una go check it out for YouTube. Now a new YouTuber way it come out really good. I bet una go check it out. Yes, you know, this community there, so for us to produce video for YouTube and for Facebook, I want to make you understand one thing. If you get 1 million followers, you know, that 1 million followers, they watch you, they can watch me. You know, means they'll cut your money, give me you. No. One man's of his subscribe for 30 million page or channel. You know, change no nothing. You know, change no nothing. Now, so Nigerians, they work. Nigerian man, they take your followers and gear over a brother carry and gear all they want to see. Now, whether the country, they explode the goal. Yes. We need to really support this one guy, Marvin Nation. Imagine a brother could produce video, then he produced again at just about 18 views. Cameroon, where are we? We did more than 22 million for Cameroon. We did more than 22 million. We did more than 22 million. Then I want to mention one of my colleagues for Bangkok.